Hey guys, how are you doing? A few hours before, Instagram users started to notice a message that automatically logged out their Instagram account, and the message was saying, we suspended your account and you have 30 days to disagree with the decision. When they try to click on the button, disagree with the decision, nothing happens and they automatically logged out of their account. Just a couple of days before, iPhone users, iPhone 11, 12, 13 users were facing Instagram app force close issue or crash related problem. Instagram just rolled out an update just a couple of hours ago that fixes the problem, but all of a sudden at the same time even Android users started to notice that their account are getting suspended without any reason. Some people think it could be due to like some user have reported their Instagram profile, and some people think that it could be the reason of iOS 16.1 update or because of the latest Instagram software update. But that's not the reasons. Actually, it looks like Instagram backend server related problem, and Instagram's official Twitter handle also confirmed that they are experiencing some technical difficulties in their server side, and they are working on a fix for that. It may take several hours and to get your account back normal unsuspended. The only way to know is I will update after this issue resolved and confirmed officially. Either you can follow the Instagram channel, or if you're already following our DailyTUT channel, I'll update in the community posts and in our Twitter and Facebook social feeds as well. Once this problem has been fixed after several hours, all you have to do is force close the application. Then you have to try logging in with your username and password to start accessing your account. Some users in their iPhone and Android, they might have forgotten their username, or some people forgotten their password because they must have left it logged in for a long time. In such case, you have to perform the forgot password option. Trying the forgot password right now will not be helpful. So let Instagram fix the server side problem and unsuspend all these accounts. Like millions of accounts, I believe, have been banned right now, like suspended right now due to some technical difficulties. So let them unban it first, and then you can try logging in or try recovering your account password. Then you will be able to successfully log in. It's more like a temporary break for you from swiping through the Instagram feed. Don't worry about it. You will get your account back if you have done nothing wrong. This is a technical glitch at Instagram server side. I hope this quick information helped you. For more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.